You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long multiplication. The final result is 62,355. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom a line to the right, multiply the numbers using long multiplication method. 5 times 3 equals 15. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 8 times 3 equals 25. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 2 to the hundreds place. 2 plus 7 times 3 equals 23. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 2 to the thousands place. 2 plus 0 times 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. And so the final result is 62,355.